much. Do your parents know you're here?
Yes!
Ako lang walang chaperone. Ako lang. Well, not only do I believe in you, I believe many big things are coming your way. Aren't you proud of her?
Yes!
I'm so proud of the woman and the music artist that she has become. Can you imagine? Remember the Daylight Digital concert last 2022?
Yes!
Massive success. Now your beloved concert last 2023 was
Yes!
out. Your solemn album launch early this year also sold out.
Yes!
And tonight here at the theater at Soler. Sold out! Now earlier you called me Concert King. Thanks for that. But I think as the Concert King ko, no, kunyari lang totoo yan. With the power bestowed upon me, I would like to officially give you a title. Of the many that she will be getting, we want to call you the NGCP.
NGCP National Corporation.
CP. New Gen Concert Princess.
Yes!
Be the princess, aim for the queen. You got it? So tonight, in this sold-out crowd of people who were too young to be here anyway,
Tuya.
are you ready for some more?
Yes!
The New Gen Concert Princess.
Yes!
Hey, Mariano!
Yes!
Again, give it up po! Sir Martin Yubera! Thank you so much. Grabe. Grabe po. You know, this wouldn't be possible without you guys. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng naniwala sa akin.
Yes!